Well, firefighters in Colorado have now turned to purposely setting new fires as a way to contain wildfires. And in some cases, they're using drones and special tools called dragon eggs to do it.
We did about 1,000 over the course of a day. It takes about 20 to 30 seconds for this reaction to take place. And that's about the time it takes for the ball to hit the ground.
Firefighters say by the time the eggs drop on the ground, it's like putting a lighter on the floor. The additional flames can stop the fire lines in their tracks, which could save some communities.